Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make a friends list on Facebook private. First of all, open up Facebook in your web browser. Now, click on your profile icon from the top right corner and then switch to your other account from here. Once you get into your other account, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then, from the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Now, from the settings, click on Privacy Checkup. After that, tap to see who can see what you share. Then, hit the Continue button and it will show you the profile information pop-up. Now you can change the privacy of your friends list on your profile. After that, select the audience, such as Public, Friends, Friends Except, Only Me, or any of the following options. When you select any of the following options, it will make your friends list private. Then, hit the Done button to save the selected audience option to make your list friend list private on the Facebook app through your phone. Open up the Facebook application on your phone and go into Menu. Now scroll down in the menu and tap on Settings and Privacy and go into Privacy Checkup from here. After that, you can view who can see what you share. Then, hit the Continue button and a profile information pop-up will appear. Now choose the audience and who can delete your friend list on your profile. And you can choose your audience to any of the following options, which will help you to make your friend list private. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.